Hello friend, welcome back to channel. In this video we are going to solve the TryHackMe team lab. First, we will start the machine. We got the IP address of target machine. First we will start with Nmap scanning for open ports. In initial Nmap scan we got 21, 22, and 80 open ports. First we will check the IP in browser with port 80. Let's copy the IP and paste in browser. We got Apache default page. Check the page source by pressing Ctrl+U. There is comment. We need to add this IP with team.thm in host file. Let's open the etc/host file and add this IP with team.thm. Next we will start to find the hidden directories by ffuf. We got robots.txt file and in scripts directory. Let's open. Nothing interesting. Got Dale. Maybe it is username. Next we will check the scripts. Got forbidden page. Again we will fuzz for script directory with some extensions to find something interesting. We got two files script.txt and another one is script.old. First, we will open the script.txt. In last line you can see the extension has been changed. Next we will try script.old. File has been downloaded. Let's cat the script.old file. In this file, we got the credentials for FTP. We will use these credentials to log in FTP. Now, we are logged in. Next, we'll check any sensitive files are there. Apart from workshare directory, remaining are common files. So we will check this directory. In this directory we found the new_sites.txt file. We will download this by get command. Cat this new_sites.txt file. We got some hit like. There is new website in PHP currently under development and found in .dev domain. And another one is id_sa key is there inside the configuration file. Add this dev_team.thm in etc. hosts file. Now, open dev.team.thm in browser. Click this link. We can see the page parameter is fetching the files. We can try LFI here. Let's try with /etc/parset. Press Ctrl+U to beautify. This page parameter is vulnerable to LFI. By using this vulnerability we will fetch the SSH key file. This file usually present in /etc/ssh/sshd_config. Scroll down we can find the Dale's SSH key. Copy this. Create a file in your local machine. I will create by mousepad with id_rsa name. And paste copied key here. And remove the hash from all lines. Now, we will change the permission of the file. With command chmod 600 id_rsa. Now, we will log in with Dale username by command ssh dale@team.thm -id_rsa. We are successfully logged in by Dale user. List the file. We got the user flag. Now, we will check for the privilege escalation by sudo -l, which helps to find any sudo misconfigured file. We got one, but it will help to horizontal privilege escalation. The admin_checks file runs without Giles password. First, we will move it to the Giles directory. We can see the admin_checks file is present. Read this by cat command. Actually, this is bash file. First, it takes input as name. And read it. And next, it take the input as date and execute it. If error through it move error to /dev/null. Now, run this admin_checks file by command. Sudo -u giles./admin_checks. Type any name. Hit enter. Next, we know timestamp is executable, so we will add bin bash here. Enter who am I. It execute the command. Now we have Giles shell. Now, time to upgrade the shell with Python command. Python 3 -c import pty.spawn/bin/bash. Now, we have upgraded the shell. Time to vertical privilege escalation. Change directory to temp. Nothing is there. Change to /opt. Admin_stuff folder is there. Inside this, script.sh file is present. In this file there are two types of backup files are there which are taking the backup of main and dev sites. We will edit one of these two files. We will add one line bash reverse shell command. Change the IP address with your machine IP address and port number. Save and exit. Start Netcat listener with port number what you have mentioned in there. In target machine, read the changed file by cat command. Wait for a moment. We will get root shell in our Kali machine. We got the root shell. Run id command to check. List the files to find the root flag. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe.